Riena, founder and owner of Emiko. Now, it has been highly requested that I do an unboxing on the InstaNails starter kit, so let's dive right into it. Let's start with the InstaNails essentials. You have your essential bond, adhesive primer, builder gel, and your top coat. The InstaNails lamp, making it so easy to apply your InstaNails. You cannot forget your nail file and cuticle pusher, both essential tools in the application. Your choice of any gel polish, your favourite InstaNail shape. This does include 600 pieces with 12 sizes, and the Emiko LED lamp. And of course you get instructions as well on application and removal. Here is what's included with the Emiko LED lamp. Your cord. Perfect travel size. Of course it has stands on it. It does also come with a cute little travel bag so you can keep your lamp and your cord together. And this protects it nicely so you don't ever lose them. And the lamp itself also includes a 6 months warranty. You do have bonus offers with the starter kit, and you can add an extra shape with an extra polish at 30% off. So that is everything included inside the InstaNails starter kit. Remember that there is a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and free express Australian shipping. For New Zealand residents, express shipping is discounted. If you're looking for salon nails at home, look no further.